everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing good, and I'm also doing great. Not with weather today, but I'm saying good morning from my kitchen. So yes, it's been really long that I haven't cooked pasta. So everybody wanted to have pasta today. Yes, we had very light breakfast of cereals, but then a brunch kind of thing, like late jo breakfast hota hai. So yes, we thought why not to just make pasta. So I'm not a very big fan of pasta, but yes, I do eat little bit whenever it is cooked. So yes, I've taken this shell pasta and some onions, and this is garlic and green chilies. You can also add ginger for your taste, depends, I just made pasta. I make pasta, with my own family taste, like whatever they like. So I've also taken oregano and red chili peppers and a little bit of black pepper, and here my pasta is at boil. So while boiling, what I do is I just add a little bit of salt. So it looks like it is done. You'll come to know, वो पूरा फूल जाता है, like it's solid हो जाता है, but still, what I do is I just kind of test it with a fork. So yes, and I also have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, then some hot sauce, a little bit of ketchup, just to add a taste. I know nobody puts ketchup and all in, but if you try it, if you just add a little bit, not that much, don't let it overpower it, just a little bit. And then I also have my pasta sauce here. So yes, this is all today. For the breakfast, not all today, but this is right now for the breakfast. So I quickly just make pasta and I'll just show you how it looks like. So once the ginger and green chilies are done, I just add a little bit of onions, the one I showed you, and we'll not do the onions like too much of frying with the onions. We don't want it like brown as you make in the curries. No, we don't want like that here. So just a little bit of saute, and then I just added the pasta sauce, and I'll wait a little bit of just the pasta sauce to be cooked. And yes, and then I'll be adding my the pasta, and I have also added a little bit of hot sauce, just a little bit, and yes, ketchup, a few drops. I know it doesn't go in pasta. I know everybody will say, oh no, you're just putting ketchup in it. I know it doesn't go in that, but try it once, and as I keep telling you, the cooking is something you just have your own taste, have your own recipes, whatever your palate likes it, you can just do just play around with it, you can do whatever you want. So last time I just put a little bit of ketchup, and it was, it tastes different. So yeah, whatever the family liked, so they said, oh, last time you did something different, so it tastes good, so why not to just make the same way. So let's see how it's done. I hope they like it this time too. See, I have used not onion. What do you say? Yeah, I have used olive oil while making pasta. You can use any oil you want. You can use canola. You can use vegetable. Depends. Like I think it tastes really good when you add olive oil. So I make it I cook it with olive oil. So I have used olive oil. It's your choice. You can use whatever oil is available at home, cooking oil. So yes, I used olive oil. So yes, finally I've added pasta into the pasta sauce, and आप notice करेंगे कि ये जो pasta जब boil हो जाता है ना, तो उसका जो size है वो थोड़ा सा increase हो जाता है, थोड़ा bigger size का हो जाता है. Especially the shell pizza, you come to know it is done. But फिर भी it's always good that when your water starts boiling, जब आप बॉईल करते हैं पास्ता, तो when water starts boiling तब आप ऐड करें पास्ता. और little bit of salt already डला हुआ है, so do not add salt in your pasta, because pasta sauce has salt. Then even these sauce जो होती हैं, जो जितनी भी sauces होती हैं उनमें salt होता है. So I think we should control our salt intake, and we should not add salt into it. I don't add salt, but जिसको ज़्यादा salt अच्छा लगता है वो डाल सकते हैं, but I don't prefer to add salt. So guys, finally my pasta is here, and you can serve it hot. You can serve it wait it just if till it gets cooled down, and you can add cheese on it, bake it, whatever you want to like it, you can have it. And yes, So, guys, I don't know what went wrong with my audio here. So, what I was trying to tell you was that, I just made this pasta today, and you can serve as it is. You can also add cheese on it. Those who are diet conscious, they can skip. I mean, I think they can a little bit, like, some days can be a cheat days, right? So, yes, just add a little bit. And because I'm somebody who we don't make pasta most of the time, like, it's more of like, chapati, rice, and lentils, and vegetables, and all. So once in a while, if you make a pasta, like, you just grate a little bit of cheese on top of it. You can, like, whatever cheese is available. For me, it's like, as I told you, I'm not somebody who is very much, like, into cooking, as, like, if this is how you cook, like, you have not a definite, cooking thing. So whatever your family likes, whatever your tastes, like, palettes are, so you can just go according to that. And yes, for me, like, spending time with the family is very important. I'm sure for everybody also it is. So little moments are very important. So that day, we just decided to go out, because weekend is a day, like, we can spend time with our near and dear ones, with family and friend. So yes, so we just went out for a grocery. But before going to the grocery, just quickly grabbed not Tim Horton, the McDonald's coffee. Here there's a drive through. And if weather is good, like, going out, these things really, like, it's a fun kind of thing. You should always spend time with your family. Take a little bit, थोड़ा सा भी time अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अपनी family के साथ या friends के साथ निकाल सकते हैं एक, तो क्यों नहीं करें? Because life has become so, I mean, very different. Like, it's not like before. Like, it's so much of stress going on, so much of tensions going on. I think there are very few people who are completely, happy in this world. So let's just at least, और कुछ तो नहीं कर सकते हो अब हम, एटलीस्ट अपनी फैमिली को तो गैदर करके रख सकते हैं ना, अपनी फैमिली के साथ कहीं जाना, बाहर जाना. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन, लाइक, if स्ट्रेस बिल्डअप होता है, तो इट कम्स ऑल नॉट ओनली इन योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, आपके अपनी फैमिली में भी बिल्डअप होना शुरू हो जाता है. सो छोटे छोटे जो मोमेंट्स होते हैं, यू जस्ट डोंट शुड नॉट मिस दैट. सो येस, एज यू कैन सी, दी weather is good, the cloud, the sky looks clear at, like, बहुत अच्छा वेदर था. सो ग्रॉसरी का डे भी होता है. और फिर यहाँ पे ग्रॉसरीज इज समथिंग, इट्स, बिल्कुल, कभी कभी तो अच्छा लगता है, बट कभी कभी लगता है, बिकॉज दो तरह की ग्रॉसरीज लेनी पड़ती है. कनेडियन ग्रॉसरी भी लेनी पड़ती है, और एशियन ग्रॉसरीज भी लेनी पड़ती है. बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ, आई एम श्योर पीपल, लाइक, दे अंडरस्टैंड कितना कुकिंग कितना इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है हमारी लाइफ के लिए. सो यस, ये आई बॉट सम स्पिनच, सम बनानाज, सम, जो टमेटोज थे. और उसके बाद कोरिएंडर, ग्रीन कोरिएंडर, देन योर मशरूम्स, देन यू हैव क्रीम चीज़ फॉर बेगल, एंड देन पनीर, लाइक, द चीज़, एंड ब्रेड है. दिस इज़ बेसन, लाइक, चिकपीस का जो फ्लावर होता है वो होता है. और ये इंडियन नमकीन होती है, भेलपुरी. समटाइम्स कोई स्नैक्स, लाइक, आप गेस्ट आ जाते हैं तो यू कैन, लाइक, सर्व एज ए स्नैक. एंड मशरूम्स आर, लाइक, आई नॉर्मली मेक मशरूम्स एंड पी करी. मशरूम मटर के साथ, जो पीस के साथ जो बनती है, वो बनाते हैं, बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बैंगन, लाइक, बड़ा वाला बैंगन इज़ फॉर भरता. सो यस, उसके बाद ये शुगर है. एंड यस, यही सब ग्रॉसरी थी आज मैं लेकर आई थी. तो ज़्यादा कुछ तो था नहीं. और उसके बाद ही ग्रॉसरी वॉसरी करके हम लोग सब घर आ गए. और घर आने के बाद जी क्या करना था, घर आने के बाद तो फिर डिनर भी बनाना था. तो यस, फिर डिनर की प्रिपरेशन शुरू हो जाती है. ये मस्टर्ड ऑयल मैं लाई थी, बिकॉज मस्टर्ड ऑयल मैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम अपनी वेजिटेबल्स में आजकल यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड ये डिनर के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ क्या, भरता. सो बैंगन को मैंने ऑब्वियसली, लाइक, रोस्ट कर लिया था. उसके बाद मैंने प्याज डाला इसमें, हींग, जीरा और प्याज. और भरते में मैं क्या करती हूँ कि भरते में मैं ज़्यादा कुछ तामा झामा नहीं करती हूँ. टमाटोज़ डालती हूँ, अनियंस डालती हूँ, एंड जीरा और हींग डाल देती हूँ. और उसमें मैं अपना मैश्ड वाला जो भरता जो मैश करता है ना, बैंगन जो मैश करते हैं, वो उसमें डाल देती हूँ. और उसमें नमक और मिर्च, दैट्स इट. लेकिन और बहुत अच्छे से उसको, लाइक, भूनती हूँ. बिकॉज आई नो व्हेन, लाइक, मुझे कैसे पता चलता, जब हम छोटे थे तो माय मॉम यूज्ड टू मेक इट, सो शी यूज्ड टू से कि उसको तब तक भूनते रहें जब तक उसका ऑयल नहीं निकलता. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू नो कि आपका बैंगन अच्छे से, आपका जो बैंगन है, मैश्ड बैंगन है, वो अच्छे से भून चुका है. सो यस, ये मेरा भरता भी रेडी हो गया. तो ऑलमोस्ट अभी मैंने स्टार्ट ही किया बनाना. खैर, सो उसको अच्छे से भूनती रहूँगी. एंड एवरीथिंग नीड्स पेशेंस, लाइक, एंड पेशेंस स्पेस. वी ऑल नो दैट, राइट? आवर पेरेंट्स हैव taught us, like, patience space. So हैव पेशेंस, हर चीज़ में हमें पेशेंस की ज़रूरत होती है, इवन इफ इट्स कुकिंग, एवरीडे लाइफ में एवरी पार्ट में पेशेंस प्लेस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. So yes, patience will definitely pay you, right? So thank you everybody, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching my vlog. Hope you liked it, and those who are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. Please do subscribe. Thank you everybody, take care of